Our ancestors have described the creation, maintenance, and dissolution of the universe, that is, Pralay, in many Puranas. Do you know on what basis they calculated it? It is wrong to consider our Puranas as mere superstitions. The reason is that science tells us that our ancestors lived a primitive tribal life, and we tend to believe that. Alright, let us look at the knowledge of our ancestors. This is a verse found in the book Samkhya Karika. What it conveys is that the three sufferings called origination, transformation and destruction must be fully understood. And if one wishes to attain the conscious, higher power that exists beyond these, it can be achieved only through recitation. A mantra is not a matter of magic or sorcery, as we often think. A mantra is simply the ancient Vedic language. The word mantra itself means letters or sounds. In the Tamil language, the vowels and consonants themselves are called mantras. Scholars say that these are the languages of the cosmos. In other words, the universe functions through these sounds. Chanting means producing these letters in the correct wave frequency. That is, not by the tongue, but through a suitable instrument. Yes, our ancestors used three methods of measurement to measure the entities of the universe. They are the perception measurement, the conception measurement, the recitation measurement. The method of perception was used to measure things that can be seen with the eyes, such as planets, stars, and clusters of the Milky Way. The method of conception was used to measure subtle entities that cannot be seen with the naked eye, such as quantum phenomena. Chanting measurement. Chanting should not be viewed as something related solely to God, it should be understood as a language. Chanting is nothing more than a method used to produce letters at the correct wavelength and vibration. Chanting was used as a method of measurement both to measure extremely subtle, microscopic entities and to measure objects located at unimaginably vast distances. The phrase "objects subtler than the subtlest" refers to entities that may exist beyond quantum objects. The phrase "objects located at extremely vast distances" refers to multiverses.